I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by gathering 200 G polymer clay in 3 colors: main shell, accents, and eyes. Condition each block by kneading until soft and warm, then roll with a small rolling pin on a clean nonstick surface. Use a craft knife and a fine needle for details. Cut a 1.5-inch oval for the body and 75-inch strips for legs and claws. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees F and arrange a baking sheet with parchment so cured pieces won't stick. Shape the main shell by forming a firm 1.5-inch oval and pressing a shallow central groove to suggest the carapace ridge. For legs, roll 75-inch strips, tapering each toward the tips and adding slight bends at 2 joints. Press into place along body sides. Make claws from 2.9-inch wedges for each pincer and join them with a thin coil to form a hinge. Attach claws at the front. Smooth seams with a damp brush and refine details with a needle. Add texture by tapping the shell with a ball, stylus, or toothbrush to create tiny pits, then score faint growth lines. Mix a 25% darker wash by thinning paint with solvent and brush into recesses to enhance contours. Bake the assembled crab on parchment at 275 degrees F for 30 minutes per 1/4-inch thickness. Allow it to cool fully before handling. Sand any rough spots with fine grit. Attach 3 mm glass eyes with a tiny dot of clay or glue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.